If you've inherited a home in Sonoma County, there's one thing I want you to hear right away. You don't have to do everything at once, but there are a few things that you should do sooner rather than later. And today I'm walking you through the most overlooked part of inheriting a home: maintenance and protection before and during the sale. Before we get started, I just want to let you know my name is Chelsea Runnings. I am a probate and trust real estate specialist, helping sellers navigate the sale of an inherited home. Now, let's get into it. Whether the property is in probate or held in a trust, these steps can protect the home's value, reduce liability, and save you from expensive surprises down the road. Inheriting a home often comes with a mix of emotions, timelines, and responsibility, sometimes all at once. And while most people focus on when to sell, one of the most important questions is actually, how do we protect the property while we figure everything else out in between? Maintenance isn't about perfection. It's about preservation. Let's walk through 6 essential things that every heir, executor, or trustee in Sonoma County should know. Let's start with number 1. Vacancy insurance is a must. This one's critical, and yet most people don't even know that it's an option. Most standard homeowners insurance policies stop covering a property once it's vacant for 30 to 60 days. That means things like fire damage, water leaks, or vandalism may not be covered at all. If the home will be vacant, even temporarily, a vacant or non-occupied insurance policy should be put in place as soon as possible. In Sonoma County, vacancy periods are very common during probate or trust administration, so this step is often overlooked, but incredibly important. Next up, utilities. Utilities still need to stay on. A common instinct is to shut everything off to save money, and unfortunately, that can backfire. In most cases, it's best to keep electricity on to prevent mold and allow inspections, keep the winter on or properly winterize it if it's shut off, and maintain gas or propane if needed. Homes that sit without utilities often discover issues during buyer inspections that could have been prevented with very minimal upkeep. Number 3 is exterior maintenance, and it still matters. Even if no one is living in the home, exterior maintenance, it's not optional. Cities and HOAs can issue fines for overgrown landscaping, debris piles, neglected trees, unsafe yards or pools, and beyond fines, exteriors that are neglected directly impact your curb appeal. And in Sonoma County, climate happens. Things can escalate quickly if they're ignored. Basic upkeep goes a long way. Plan early for cleanouts and deep cleaning. Inherited homes often contain decades of belongings, which means cleanouts take time, sometimes more than people expect. You may need to coordinate junk removal, hazardous waste disposal, donation pickups, and deep cleaning. In Sonoma County, vendor availability can be tight during busy seasons, so planning early helps avoid delays when you're ready to list or move forward. Regular walkthroughs of the property are crucial. Vacant homes need eyes on them. Ideally, someone should check the property every 1 to 2 weeks to catch plumbing issues, pest issues, vandalism, or unauthorized entry, broken windows, or unlocked doors, dead or failing landscape. Many insurance policies actually require documented check-ins, so consistency matters. Small issues caught early can save thousands later on. And finally, number 6. Mail and security need immediate attention. An overflowing mailbox is one of the clearest signs a home is vacant. Make sure to forward mail promptly, secure all locks, consider rekeying doors or changing garage codes, maybe add motion lights or cameras if appropriate. Vacant homes are easy targets, but early security steps can dramatically reduce risk. Inherited homes don't need to be renovated, staged, or listed right away. They do need to be protected. A thoughtful, steady approach can preserve the estate's value, reduce liability, prevent fines and insurance issues, and make the eventual sale so much smoother. Every inherited property is different, especially here in Sonoma County, where timelines, regulations, and weather all play a role. If you're not sure what needs to happen now versus later, focus on protection first. The rest can follow one step at a time. If you're navigating an inherited home and you're feeling unsure where to start, you're not alone. Getting the right information early can make this process far less overwhelming. I'll leave all my information in the description below. If you ever need help selling or navigating the process, you can call me or email me. I'm here to help you every step of the way.